Hi students, now we are going to solve a numerical, that is a 90-meter long train is running at a speed of 54 km per hour. If it takes 30 seconds to cross a platform, find the length of the platform. Okay, so on the basis of the data which was given, so we can draw the diagram first. From that we can learn the theme. Okay, so a 90-meter long train. So we will draw the diagram of the train first of all. So here 90-meter long train. Let us assume this is a railway train track. So here one train is there. The length of the train is 90 meters. Length of the train is considered taken as LT. So the length of the train is 90 meters. 90 meters. Okay. Running at a speed of 54 km per hour. What is the speed of the train? Speed of the train is given. So that is 54 km per hour. 54 km per hour. So it is the speed of the train. So we can speed of the train which was given 54 km per hour. If it takes 30 seconds to cross a platform, so here for example here one let us assume here for example Bangalore railway station is here. Bangalore. So here railway station platform. To cross a platform, so this is the platform. Here we have to find out the length of the platform, LP, that is the length of the platform. Length of the platform. So here LT, that is the length of the train. To cross a platform, find the length of the platform. Now we have to calculate the length of the platform. Length of the platform should be calculated. Okay. So for this, what is the total length of the train and the length of the platform? So that is considered as L is equal to total length of the both train and platform. So that is taken as length of the train LT plus length of the platform, that is LP. So which is considered as total length. L is equal to LT plus LP. So next here length of the train is 90 meters and length of the platform that should be calculated. So how much time can be taken by the train to cross the platform? For example here Bangalore, what is that train railway station is there, Bangalore railway station. So this is the platform of Bangalore railway station. To cross that railway station platform, it has taken 30 seconds time. What is the time which was taken by the train to cross the railway station platform? That is time t is equal to time t, that is given as 30 seconds. Here length of the platform should be calculated. So that is length of the platform length of the platform. So here we have already known that speed. What is the formula for the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So here already we have known that speed is already given, that is 54 km per hour. So here 54 km per hour equal to distance, total distance, that is length of the train plus length of the platform. Here you see, to cross the railway station platform, first of all this train has to cross its length, that is 90 meters should be crossed, and then after it should cross the railway station platform. Then only this train can come at this position. Okay. To cross the railway station platform, first of all train should cross its length, that is 90 meters. 90 meters length of the train should be crossed first. Then it can enter into the platform, and to cross the platform it should cross length of the platform. So then it can come to the it can cross the platform, so it can come to this particular position. Okay. So for that purpose, the speed of the train is 54 km per hour is equal total distance that should be covered by train, that is taken as length of the train plus length of the platform divided by time. Here find the length of the platform. You have to calculate the length of the platform. Already time is given, so here we can substitute this here. 54 km per hour, 54 km per hour, it is written as 54 into 1 km per hour, which is equal to length of the train. Length of the train already it is given, that is 90 meters, plus length of the platform LP divided by total time which was given already, 30 seconds time taken by the train to cross its length and the length of the platform. So that is here time is taken as 30 seconds. 54 into 1 km per hour, which is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. So in place of 1 km per hour, 5 by 18 meter per second is substituted. 5 by 18 meter per second equal to 90 meters plus length of the platform divided by 30 seconds. So here 18 ones, 18 threes, that is 54, 3 5s 15 meter per second, which is equal to 90 meters plus length of the platform, that is divided by 30 seconds. So next, so to calculate length of the platform, here 30 seconds multiplied by 15 meter per second. So here 15 meter per second into 30 seconds is equal to 90 meters plus length of the platform. Okay, to calculate length of the platform, here we can subtract 90 meters from the 13 seconds. So here 15 meters into 30 seconds divided by 1 second, which is equal to 90 meters plus length of the platform. Next, from this 15 threes 45, 450. Here 1 second gets cancelled. 450 meters is equal to 90 meters plus length of the platform. So here 90 meters, 450 meters is equal to 90 meters plus length of the platform. To calculate length of the platform, here 90 meters subtracted from 450 meters. So here 450 meters minus 90 meters, that is equal length of the platform. Okay. So next 450 meters minus 90 meters, that is equal length of the platform. So here 450 minus 90, that is 360 meters. That is length of the platform. Here length of the train which was given already 90 meters and the length of the platform, that is 360 meters. Okay. To cross the railway station platform, train has to cross its length, that is 90 meters, and this train has to cross the platform length, that is 360 meters. When it crosses its length 90 meters and 360 meters, then it can come to this particular position. Okay. So find the length of the platform. Length of the platform is 360 meters. So length of the platform from here to here, this is the railway station, Bangalore railway station. For example, railway station platform this is. So the length of the platform, that is 360 meters. So length of the train, that is 90 meters. To cross the station platform, it has to cross its length and it has to cross the station platform length, that is 360 meters. In that particular case, then train comes here after crossing the railway station platform.